So in some cases, we have this question. Are we going to create an alternative to ChatGPT? This is not what LLM application development is about. We don't create competitors of ChatGPT or any other foundation model. And the purpose of this chapter is just helping you to understand why we don't do that. Why to create LLM applications is to build on top of the foundation models. We don't create foundation models because this is something we cannot do. Because the foundation models, or LLMs, if you want to call them that, are something absolutely out of our possibilities. So just think about the amount of data that ChatGPT has been trained with. So if a typical person reads 700 books in their lifetime, ChatGPT has been trained with the text equivalent to 10 million books. This is something that was impossible a few years ago. The methodology we had a few years ago and the computers we had weren't able to do that. But in the last years, thanks to deep learning, thanks to neural networks, transformers, and also to computers with GPUs, graphical processing units, we are now able to do that. We had the methodology before, but we didn't have the capability, the computer capability to do that, right? So LLMs, foundation LLMs, are very big, are not possible to develop by a simple person like you or me. And remember that the amount of data and the computing power associated with foundation LLMs or with LLMs is the key of these models. The accuracy of LLMs depends on the quality of the data and the amount of data they have been trained on. So it's not just the millions and millions and millions of words that they know, it's also the quality of that words. Because if you train your LLM model with bad information, with mistakes, with bias, with information that is leaning towards one particular field, the LLM model is going to have that problem too. Okay, so remember, LLMs are just statistical models. They use data to produce data. So the quality and quantity of the data we use with the LLM in order to train them is absolutely critical. So the amount of data and the quality of data has to do with the accuracy of LLMs. And finally, LLMs are extremely expensive to build. Just to give you a quick idea, the CEO of OpenAI has stated that training ChatGPT-4 cost more than $100 million. So just for you to understand, we build LLM applications on top of foundation LLMs like ChatGPT, on top of LLMs like Anthropic, Llama2, etc., etc. But we don't build competitors to ChatGPT or Anthropic or Llama2. This is something is out of the reach of everybody except maybe Google, maybe Facebook, maybe OpenAI. So don't think about it. We build on top of them. We don't build them.